right, here we go. Careful now, don't want to stir anything up. Just dust. Keep moving. Okay, let's start with the staircase.
Watch your step, there's a lot of debris.
Getting a good scan of the structural damage now.
I'm getting a high variance reading here.
Can you hold the beam steady? Right there.
Got it.
Okay, let's get this table set up here.
Watch your step, mind the debris.
Perfect. Unroll the blueprints, let's see what we're working with.
The ceiling zone above the staircase needs a marker. Right, I'll tag it now.
Check the cracks here too. Keep sweeping from top to bottom. Move the debris to the side. Watch the steps. Keep it steady. Watch the steps. Almost there. Grab the other bag.
Pull, keep pulling. It's moving. All right, together. Look at that, it's a carving. Incredible, we have to be careful with this part.
Keep it steady. Watch the steps.
Almost there.
Grab the other bag.
Keep stacking.
Right, moving them over. Needs to go higher.
Keep sweeping from the outside in.
We're almost through the stone here.
Looks much better already.
Keep scraping that mud.
Just a little bit more here.
Looks good, first step done. Keep sweeping over here.
We found the edge of it.
Careful with the glass here.
Hold it there. A little higher. Locking into place now.
Be careful with that section of the wall.
Don't step on that loose pavement.
Watch the ceiling as you go in.
Keep it tight right there. Heavy stuff. Careful. Almost done. Find the edge. We need more hands here. Grab that pile over there.
All right, grab this end.
Heavy.
Push it out. Careful, it's falling apart.
Keep the vacuum steady. Move those buckets here. Watch your step on the stairs. Keep sweeping those over here. Get the big vacuum on that pile. Watch your step with those buckets. Keep sweeping that dust towards me.
All right, almost got it.
Make sure to get behind the molding. Keep pushing it this way. Move those bags out quickly. Watch your step on the stairs. Keep sweeping that way. Move the hose here. Almost done with this section.
I think this section needs a bit more polish.
Agreed. I'm just finishing up down here. Keep scrubbing, that spot's stubborn.
Okay, nearly done with this step.
Okay, ready? Pull together.
Got it. Watch the dust.
Almost off. Mind the lamp.
Good, let's get these out.
Mind the door frame with that table. Okay, I'm almost done with the ashes.
I think this needs to go further to the left.
Yes, that looks better. Let me get the rug.
Keep a steady hand here.
We don't want to damage any of the bindings.
Try applying the cleaner near the top first. Got it. Let's see if this reaches. Looks good up here. One more pass down here. Almost done down here. Good, I'm just finishing up the roof.
The stonework looks solid, but we should inspect the drainage near the east wing.
Agreed. Let's check the slates up there as well. Looks like some damage on it. Keep scrubbing that corner. We need more water over here. Almost done with this section. Keep scraping out that grit.
Okay, got it tight now.
Let me take a look. Check the flow here. Looks clear, let's wipe it down. Needs a little more pressure on this side. All right, test one. Initiating sequence. Status? Pressure holding, no flow. Still not working. Check the main wire. All right, let's fix it this time. Keep digging. Over there.
Over there. Okay.
Careful with the stone. I think we found something. Stop. Everyone, stop. Look, it's beautiful. All right, bring that curve over here. Careful with that one. It's the last piece. Almost done digging this section out. Keep pushing. Almost there. Easy. Watch the edge. Good. Let's adjust it. Keep working on this edge. Moving this pile. Watch your step. Almost finished here. Mind the edge. Take the weight. Slide it up slowly. In place. Locked. Keep shaping that edge. Move the stones to the terrace. We need more dirt over here. Looks good. Yeah, that's better. Let's try the next one. Careful with the wire. Yeah, almost there. Perfect. Looks good. Let's test them. Nice and bright. Perfect. The fixture's secure. Check the wiring connections on your side. Almost done with this one. Needs to go a bit deeper here. Keep sweeping down to the third tier. Almost done on this side, stacking the brush now. The pressure is stabilizing. Looks good. Maintain.